how to fix eSIM not working on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the eSIM not working on iPhone. Well, the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. If you're having the same issue of eSIM not working, what you can do is simply head over to settings. Once under settings, head into the option cellular, and here what you want to do is you can see your eSIM list here. You can tap on it and open it up, and here you should be able to find the option that says you want to make sure that the data roaming is available, and here you want to make sure that is enabled there. So here, however, if you're still facing the issue, then if you have multiple eSIM, what you can do is you can tap on one and then you'll get the option to turn it off. You can remove it and you can add it again by tapping on add eSIM. However, I only have one here. You can see the primary one, so I'm not getting the option to remove it. So this should fix the issue. However, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.